Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the top 5 best laptops on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're looking for a gaming laptop, office work, or a study companion, these laptops cover a variety of needs and budgets. We'll go through each laptop, talk about its specs, performance, pros and cons, and help you find the best option for yourself. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. ACEMAGIC 15.6-inch Ultra Slim Laptop. The ACEMAGIC 15.6-inch Ultra Slim laptop is perfect for students and professionals who want portability without sacrificing performance. The 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the SSD allows for fast boot up and app loading. Its slim design makes it easy to carry around. 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display, Intel N97 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, ultra slim design, Windows 11. Pros: sleek and ultra portable, large RAM and SSD storage, Full HD display, Windows 11 pre-installed. Cons: Intel N97 is good for light tasks, not heavy gaming. Battery life may vary under heavy load. Great for students and professionals looking for a lightweight laptop for office, study, and media consumption. Number 2. Blackview AceBook 12-Win 11 Pro Laptop. The Blackview AceBook 12 offers a premium experience at a budget-friendly price. Its 16-inch high-resolution display is perfect for productivity and media consumption. The i5 processor ensures smooth performance for office applications, light editing, and multitasking. 16-inch 1920 by 1200 display, Intel i5-1030 NG7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 5000 mAh battery, Windows 11 Pro. Pros: high-resolution display with 16-inch screen, powerful i5 processor for daily tasks, lightweight for portability, good battery life. Cons: not ideal for heavy gaming, limited GPU performance. Perfect for office work, students, and light multitasking with a large display and solid battery life. Number 3. CHUWI GemiBook Plus Laptop. The CHUWI GemiBook Plus is designed for users who want light gaming, office work, and smooth performance. The 12th Gen Intel processor ensures efficiency, and the built-in cooling fan keeps the laptop from overheating during extended use. 15.6-inch Full HD display, Intel N150, N100 graphics, 12th Gen processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, cooling fan included, Windows 11. Pros: 12th Gen Intel CPU for better efficiency, cooling fan prevents overheating, Full HD display for media, lightweight and portable. Cons: graphics performance limited to light tasks, not suitable for AAA gaming. Best for students and professionals who want a reliable, smooth laptop with light gaming capability. Number 4. ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch high-performance laptop. The ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch laptop is designed for users who want a larger screen for media, office work, or multitasking. The quad-core 12th Gen processor offers decent performance for productivity, streaming, and light gaming. 17.3-inch Full HD display, quad-core 12th Gen Alder Lake N97 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB ROM. Pros: large 17.3-inch screen for better viewing, quad-core processor for multitasking, spacious storage and RAM, good for home office or study setup. Cons: bigger and less portable, battery may drain faster due to large screen. Ideal for users who prefer a big screen for productivity or entertainment at home. Number 5. ACEMAGIC Gaming Notebook AMD Ryzen 7500. The ACEMAGIC Gaming Notebook is a powerhouse for gaming and productivity. The Ryzen 7 5700U outperforms many i7 processors, offering excellent performance for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The backlit gaming keyboard is great for gamers and late-night users. 16.1-inch Full HD display, AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB NVMe SSD, backlit gaming keyboard. Pros: high-performance Ryzen 7 processor, backlit gaming keyboard, fast NVMe SSD, large 16.1-inch Full HD display. Cons: slightly heavier than standard laptops, battery life moderate under heavy gaming. Best choice for gamers and power users who want high performance and a backlit keyboard at a reasonable price. So, that's our list of the top 5 best laptops on AliExpress in 2025. For light office and study use, ACEMAGIC 15.6-inch Ultra Slim laptop. For large display and productivity, Blackview AceBook 12. For smooth efficiency and light gaming, CHUWI GemiBook Plus. For large screen home use, ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch laptop. For gaming and heavy multitasking, ACEMAGIC Ryzen 7 gaming notebook. All links are in the description for the latest deals and discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment below which laptop you'd choose for 2025.